Hello friends, I am Deepak. Today topic is semiconductor and comparison between semiconductor, insulator and conductors. So first of all define semiconductor. Semiconductor. It is a material that has a conductivity more than insulator but less than conductor, or it can say the conductivity is lies between conductor and insulator, and its example is silicon, germanium. Silicon resistivity is 15 to 10 to power 3 ohm centimeter, and germanium resistivity is 50 ohm centimeter. Resistivity is defined the reciprocal of the conductivity, or it can say formula rho equal 1 upon sigma. Sigma is the conductivity. So rho is a called resistivity or property of material. Rho formula is Ra by L, where R is a resistance of a material, A is a area of the material, L is a length. So rho is depends area and L. So property of material is depends of area and length, because resistance is a constant, resistance is a fixed property. So its units ohm meter square by m. So ohm meter, or you can say ohm centimeter, because you can know resistance units ohm, area units meter square, and length meter. So meter to meter cancel and ohm meter. So if you can see conductor in copper 10 to the power minus 6 ohm centimeter resistivity, and insulator mica resistivity is 10 to the power minus 12 microcentimeter. You can say resistivity is conductor is low than insulator. So because conductivity is high. When conductivity is high, then formula is a resistivity reciprocal of the conductivity. So you can see, I can mention the in black bracket rho c less than rho s less than rho I. Rho c is more or less to rho I. यानी हम कह सकते हैं कि जो रेजिस्टिविटी कंडक्टर की होगी वो सबसे कम होगी, और उससे कम होगी सेमीकंडक्टर की, और सबसे ज़्यादा होगी रो आई, यानी इंसुलेटर की रेजिस्टिविटी सबसे ज़्यादा होगी. ठीक, इसका उल्टा हम देखेंगे कि करंट जो होगा वो कंडक्टर में सबसे ज़्यादा होगा, उससे ज़्यादा सेमीकंडक्टर में होगा, और उससे ज़्यादा किस पे होगा, इंसुलेटर में सबसे कम होगा. ठीक है, आई सी is greater than IS, and IS is greater than I. So more or less current in insulator. You can see the band diagram. First insulator, insulator band you can see band diagram. You can see upper part conduction band and lower part valence band, and electron in valence bond. So you can see EO or EG. It means energy band gap, or it is called forbidden gap. So EO is value is approximately 6 electron bond, more than semiconductor and conductor. But you can see semiconductor its EO value, it means energy gap of semiconductor is 1 electron volt more less, and you can say the band gap of semiconductor is between two conduction band gap and conductors and band gap of conductors and band gap of insulator. But you can go the band gap of conductors, you can see the band gap of conductors, upper part of conduction band and lower part of the valence band, and EO value is more than semiconductor and less than insulator. So its conductivity is high, and you can know 1 electron volt is 1.6 into 10 to the power 19. So if you see the band gap diagram of semiconductor, germanium equal 0.75 eV. It's mean it can see band gap of germanium is 0.75 electron volt, and silicon or the band gap of silicon is 1.16 electron volt. So it can say germanium is less than its silicon in energy of band or energy band gap. So now I am complete in the semiconductor and comparison between conductors and semiconductor and insulator. Thanks for watching.